Gangs. It is a topic that we cannot escape from, mostly in most of our African countries. And this is because of the low standards of living and the poor state of economy in most African countries. Gang crimes has risen so high in recent past in Africa that different African countries have formed special police units to tame the rise of gangs in different cities all over the world, and mostly in Africa. Kenya, considered one of the greatest countries in Africa and among the top tourist destinations in the world. But as the saying goes, not all that glitters is gold. The capital city of Kenya, Nairobi, is a home to the most ruthless gangs in the world. Today, a FM African documentary together with our journalist Felix Mwenda through the top 5 most dangerous gangs in Nairobi. Relax and enjoy the show. Number 5 on the list is Hapana Tambua Takataka. Simply means we don't care about the rubbish. This gang is mostly based in different estates in Nairobi, such as Kayole, Dandora, Kariobangi, Huruma, and Korogosho. Believed to have been born during the era of the late President Mungiki back in 2010. So many stories have originated from this gang. In 2014, photos of many of the members of the gang circulated on social media after they were arrested by the Kenyan police, and some of them shot dead while they were in acts of crime. Mostly, it comprises of young men and women between the age of 13 years and 30. On number 4 is the Tsunami Gang, also one of gangs that have terrorized the city of Nairobi. The Tsunami is usually armed with daggers and guns. They have been robbing people in broad daylight as police drag into taking action. Mostly they operate in groups of 5. Their major meeting points are said to be outside Nairobi National Archives and the Tom Mboya statue along the Moi Avenue in Nairobi City. Others include Sunken Car Park along Arambe Avenue, Kenyatta Avenue, and Kimathi Street Junction, as well as Matatu Terminal. This is the Tsunami Gang, which mostly operates in Nairobi. On number 3 is the 42 Brothers, one of the ruthless and most dangerous gangs that has ever originated from Kenya. It is believed that the 42 Brothers run and operate in groups of 10, and mostly they are said to have originated from the city of Kisumu, where now they have taken over the city of Nairobi. Speaking about the 42 Brothers, just a brief history in regards to this gang is that they mostly make sure that they have hurt their culprit or those that they are robbing, mostly by slashing their faces with machetes. This deadly gang operate mostly in the estates of Nairobi, in Korogosho, Kasarani, Tasia, and Soweto Bridge, where they mug and rob pedestrians' money and valuables. They operate in groups of 10 people, which is well connected with the bosses at the police forces. They have a lot of connections that it is believed that their leader is not known to the public, but is known to the police. On number 2 is the Superpower Gang. This is one of the most dangerous gangs in Eastleigh, Nairobi, and also in Pangani. The superpower gang becomes the second most dangerous gang because this gang is run by small kids, mostly even at the age of 12 years and 13 years. Its followers are mostly teenagers, some still in school, whose criminal activities range from murder, mugging, pickpocketing to violent robbery, which at times includes stabbing their victims. Superpower gang mostly target mobile phones, cash, jewelry, and motor spares. And number one on the list, it's the reigning most ruthless criminal gang to have ever originated from the city of Nairobi. Gaza. This is a ruthless gang which is based in Kayole. According to some of the detectives who have spoken to the media, the Gaza gang operates like the dreaded Mungiki and are armed with guns, real and homemade, even swords. The majority of gang members, according to police, are women, whose role includes carrying firearms and intelligence sharing. Gaza's main target is financial points like M-Pesa shops, hospitals, and times churches. One thing that I will have to explain to you in regards to Gaza gang, I will give you a brief history of this gang. The Gaza gang is believed to be behind a spate of killings and robberies in Eastlands, but little is known about its operations. Gaza gang members use swords, knives, and guns as their tools of trade. The gang is said to have given birth to the Yakuza gang, which specializes on high-end crimes such as highway and bank robberies. The Yakuza gang is also said to control dump sites in Nairobi Eastlands area and charge those who dump waste there. Early last year, police admitted that the gangs have been terrorizing city residents, but said they were doing everything possible to secure the area. These are just stories. So, Kayole is believed to be the center of the dreaded Gaza gang. Kayole area in Nairobi is said to be the home of the Gaza gang, one of the fiercest gangs in Eastlands. Most residents in this area live below 100 shillings a day, making life hellish, pushing young people into crime. 100 Kenyan shillings a day, that is less than $1 or less than €1 a day. So these are stand many young youths into crime. That's all I have for you. Go ahead and subscribe to FM African Documentary for more of this. This was the top 5 most dangerous gangs in Nairobi.